Hello friends, welcome to the Score More Aptitude channel. So in this video, we will see the basics of coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. So in coding and decoding questions, a word is coded in a particular way and the candidates are asked to code other words in the same way. The coding and decoding tests are set up to judge the candidate's ability to decipher the rule that has been followed to code a particular word, and we have to break the code to decipher the message or the word. Okay, so for coding and decoding purpose we need to remember the alphabetical order of all the alphabets from A to Z. Okay, so now let's write the alphabets from A to Z. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's give the order number. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, this is 13, 14, and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So these are the alphabetical order given to the A to Z. And in some questions we need to remember the reverse alphabetical order also, right? So in that case the Z is 1 and this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, so now we can remember the increasing order of the alphabetical numbers by using the EJOTY rule. EJOTY rule. So EJOTY rule means E is 5 and J is 10, O is 15 and T is 20 and Y is 25. Suppose I ask to find the alphabetical order of L. So we know that L is actually very near to J. So we know from the EJOTY J is 10 and L is going to be K and L. So from this actually we take this E, J, O, T and Y are the bases. Okay, for example I want to find the alphabetical order of L. So how I can find? We know that L is very near to J. So we know that we remember this EJOTY. So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So J is 10 and L is going to be after two places of J, L will come. So based on the J is 10 and L is going to be 12. So in this way, by using the EJOTY rule, we can remember the alphabetical order of the A to Z. Okay, so now how we can remember the reverse alphabetical order? Okay, so reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so the how we will get the reverse order number? So that is going to be reverse order is equal to 27 minus alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. So reverse order number is going to be get by 27 minus alphabetical order. For example, if you take this one, Z is 1 and in the alphabetical order Z is 26. Okay, so this 1 is going to become 27 minus 26 will give the Z's position in the reverse order. Okay, so for example, how we can find, let us find the P's reverse order. So how we can find that one? That is going to be 27 minus alphabetical order. So after O, P will come. So O is 15 and P is 16. So 27 minus 16. So that is going to be 11. So the reverse order of P is what actually? The 11. Okay. So whenever you want to find the reverse order of a particular alphabet, then you have to subtract that alphabetical order from 27 and you will get the reverse order. Okay. So I hope you got this one. Okay. So this is the, for coding and decoding purpose, you need to remember the alphabetical order of A to Z and reverse alphabetical order of Z to 1. Okay, so how to remember the alphabetical order of the numbers? Using the EJOTY rule. How we will get the reverse order? So 27 minus alphabetical order will give the reverse order. Okay, so now let's see one question based on this. So the question is like, in a certain code, lake is written as OZPV. Okay, OZPV. So then how will back be how will back be written how will back be written in the same code, in the same code. So how the back will written in the same code, right? So it is given that how the lake is written as OZPY, right? So here I take LAKE and this is written as OZPV. Okay, OZPV. So what are the value of L? So J K L. So after using the EJOTY, so J is 10 and K L. So this is going to be 12 and A is 1. So after J K will come. So this is going to be 11 and E is 5 using the EJOTY. So O is 15 in the OJOTY and Z is 26 and P is after O P will come. So after 15 and this is going to be 16. T. So after T U V. So V is actually 22. Okay, so now we observe the pattern. So what is the pattern? Actually, if you observe, what we will can find? So from this we can find that L is coded as O and A is coded as Z and K is coded as P and E is coded as V. So if we observe this one, so 12 plus 15, so this is going to be 27. Okay, so 12 plus 15, so is written as 27, right? If we add those two numbers, we will get 27. So in the same manner, 1 plus 26, that is also going to be 27, and 11 plus 16, so this is also actually equal to 27, and 5 plus 22, so this is also actually 27. So that means actually what is the coding order? So that means actually the sum of the the alphabetical order of the letter and its coding letter is going to be equal to 27. The sum of both the coding and decoding letters value is going to be 27. So in the same manner we have to write the code for back. So now let's take BACK. Okay, B is what? 2 and A is 1 and C is 3. So after J, K will come. So it is 11. So now by adding what value we will get the 27 to 2? So that is 25. We will get 27. So by adding 26 to the 1 we will get 27. So by adding 20, no, right, 27, right? So by adding 24, we will get 27. So by adding 16 to the 11, we will get the 27, right? So what is the 25th letter? The 25th letter is Y by using EJOTY, and 26 is Z, and 24 is X, and 16 is P, and 16 is P. So that means actually the back is coded as YZXP. Okay, so the back is coded as YZXP. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. So please subscribe to my channel. So thank you once again.